Thoughts always arise as the subject, but all thoughts are objects, always. There is never a moment when any thought, no matter how intimate it may feel, is the subject. This is so key to understand, to dissolve overthinking, to dissolve identification with thought, with mind. Notice how even any thought that is arising, interpreting or judging what I'm saying right now, it is arising as the subject of your experience. It is arising as me talking. But that me talking, there's an awareness of. That me talking is an object seen, observed. See this again and again and again and again. Grasp this one thing, but grasp it so firmly, not mentally, right? Again, if you just think about this, you may understand it mentally, but you must experience how thought is not the subject. You thinking about this is observed. That's the part to grasp experientially, to verify in your own experience. Because right now a thought is arising as the subject, as myself, saying whatever it's saying. Then the next thought arises and says, I just can't stop thinking. I want to stop thinking. I'm suffering my thoughts. I overthink. I am anxious. I'm suffering. And both are identified with as the subject of your experience, as myself. But there is no identity within these thoughts. They arise and they subside. They appear and they disappear. And they are seen to appear and disappear. They claim to be the subject. They claim this identity. They hide behind the sense of identity, of consciousness, of I, of the witness. But they are the witnessed. They are observed. They are seen. They are objects of awareness. That which is aware of thought is not a thought. That which is aware of thought is not in the stream of mind. The stream of mind is observed. The stream of mind never becomes the subject, although it always appears as the subject, claims to be the subject. Grasp this experientially. Verify this in your experience. If this is the one thing that you verify in your experience, let it be this, because this alone will clear up so much delusion. Thought being the subject is the foundation on which all the structures of egoic identity, right, personal self, the separate self, rests. The moment you begin to grasp this experientially, that thought is not the subject, all these egoic structures, the personal self, the separate self, it begins to just continue to appear, yet not taken to be what I am. It is seen as the spontaneous activity, the contents of the now, nothing more. So marinate in this. Close your eyes, sit down, and marinate in this. See that anything that appears, any thought that arises, it arises as the subject, but it is never the subject. There is an automatic, effortless awareness of it. Can a thought arise without the accompanying awareness of the thought? No, it is always the object, to which you are the subject. Verify this, verify this, verify this.